You don't have to be a rocket scientist to leverage data analytics. Here is how anyone can benefit from data. And welcome back to another episode of Just a Day Digital for your weekly dose of marketing tips and tricks. Before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like the video. All right, let's dive right into this week. Terms like big data and the Internet of Things, IoT, are frequently being thrown around business experts. You may have heard of big data, but don't know why it's relevant to your business or how to make use of it. Data is important to improving any business, maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring you understand what your customer wants and needs. Before you can use it, however, you need to understand it. That is what big data analysis is for. It sifts through the masses of information and makes sense of it. It assesses and provides valuable insights in an efficient way. Data analytics describes the process of assessing raw data, gaining insights, and drawing conclusions from it. It allows business to extract relevant patterns from large data sets with the use of analytics applications. Examples include the open source data analysis tools like Pandas, which uses Python programming language, and Hadoop, which are open source programs written in Java that can process large data sets. However, even commonly used software like Microsoft Excel has helpful data analysis features. An exploratory data analysis is used to provide an overview of the key findings within data sets. Tools like data visualization can help present these data insights to your audience in a clear way. The last step involves using these insights to make recommendations for the next step. This process allows organizations to make appropriate business decisions and meet the needs of their customers. The four basic types of data analytics include the following. Descriptive analytics. This illustrates changes over a specific time period. For example, descriptive analytics can show higher sales or increase or decrease in website views in a month, quarter, or year. Predictive analytics. This predicts what is likely to take place in the relatively near term based on previous data. Diagnostic analytics. This uses past data to assess why something happened, like lower or higher sales. Prescriptive analytics. This uses historical data to recommend a specific course of action, like a seasonal inventory increase of specific products. Lastly, there is a regression analysis, which refers to several statistical methods that estimate relationships between dependent and independent variables. These clarify the strength of the relationship between the variables and their future relationships. Past data is extremely useful in analytics, as it can help take the proper action and make the right business decisions. For example, it can make sense of consumer demand, help businesses anticipate changes, and optimize decisions. When used correctly, data analytics can lead to more sales and profits. However, this requires high quality, structured data and good data management. By now, it's probably clear to you why data analytics are beneficial to your business. But if not, here are some additional key benefits. Enhanced business decision making. Data analytics provides companies with comprehensive assessments of their customers, which is essential to making better business decisions and improving project management. More efficiency. Using data analytics, businesses can also streamline their processes, which also helps them cut costs and makes them more efficient. It allows them to properly analyze their finances, which can help them with spending money in marketing and other departments more efficiently. Better marketing. Since data analytics helps organizations get to know their customers, their pain points, needs, desires, and demands, they can alter their marketing more effectively. More precise marketing campaigns on social media and other channels can lead to more sales and profits. Improved customer service. Building on the previous point, data analytics can lead to better customer service as it provides businesses with a clear understanding of who their customers are and what they want and need. Providing your team access to your data in one key location helps ensure consistency and service quality. Big data can appear overwhelming simply due to its sheer volume. However, it doesn't take a data scientist and engineers to make use of it. Applications of data analysis can help make practical for you and your business. Now, let's review this step-by-step guide on how to use data analytics. First up, have a plan in place. Failing to plan equals planning to fail. Therefore, prepare a long-term plan with clear objectives that takes into account your data requirements. Make sure to answer the following questions. Why do you want to collect a specific type of data? What do you hope to achieve? Next, collecting data. After you have a plan in place, you need to decide the following. Which data sources will you use? Which data points are you going to focus on? How are you going to collect this data? Is it social media, transactions, GPS, RFID chips? Make sure the data is relevant. You'll need to do more than just gather large amounts of data. Raw data isn't very useful and doesn't provide information. That's why it's crucial that you use quality data that is relevant. Use your data efficiently. If you plan on working with the data analytics, you can hire in-house data analysis specialists, and if you run a small company, this may not be possible. Either way, think about which data sources and metrics you will use for your purposes to make sure your data is used effectively. Data presentation. Once you've gathered data and analyzed it, it's time to present it. Data visualization tools like Tableau allow you to demonstrate your findings in a clear way through graphs and charts. Through these easy to understand infographics, your audience can better understand your findings in webinars, video tutorials, and on social media. Next, we need to take action. The purpose of data analytics is to help you understand certain trends and help your business make better decisions. Once you've gathered your data findings, you can put them into practical use with a well thought out action plan that can serve as a guide for improvement. Perhaps you have to work on your services or new channels to reach your target audience. Whatever insights you gain from your data analysis, it's important you take appropriate action. Nowadays, businesses have access to a variety of data analytic technologies, with more being developed regularly. Here are some of the most popular data analytics tools available. Predictive analytics. As mentioned earlier, predictive analytics forecasts what is likely to take place in the relatively near term based on historical data. It uses statistical algorithms and machine learning to help businesses gain a clearer understanding of the future outcomes, which allows them to be better prepared and make adjustments where necessary. Data warehouse. This is a management system that simplifies data analytics and other business intelligence processes. If you use this tool, you can easily centralize data from different sources, which makes it more manageable and easier to use. It also allows your data analyst to create a historical record for future comparisons. Machine learning. This is a form of artificial intelligence that simulates human intelligence to complete certain tasks. It uses applications to assess data and learn from it over a period of time to make continually more accurate predictions for future outcomes. Data management. Before you can use your data analytics findings effectively, you need to employ proper data management. Use analytics tools and processes to organize and manage the flow of data and ensure that the data you use is high quality and is easy to access wherever necessary. Big data is more than just a buzzword. It's being used by corporate giants around the world to improve their services, create better customer experiences, and increase their sales to benefit their bottom line. Whether Tesla, Nintendo, Spotify, or Amazon, retail, travel, hospitality, or healthcare, data analytics is widely used by most companies and across all sectors. The insights gained from data analytics help organizations understand what their customers want, what the problems they have, and how to solve them more efficiently. Ultimately, a happy customer leads to a more successful business. If you haven't yet caught on to the trend, it's definitely time to do so. Your competitors are probably already using data analytics, and not keeping up may cause your business to fall behind. While you may not have the same resources as global companies, there's no need to worry. Start by collecting as much data as possible and work with the tools outlined above or with small business data specialists that can help you make sense of it. As a result, you will have a better understanding of how to promote your products, manage your finances, engage with your customers, and so much more. Data analytics provides you with valuable insights that lead to actionable steps for driving revenue, reducing costs, and improving your customer experience. You may find that leveraging the opportunities offered by data analytics will not only help you maintain a competitive advantage, but also be the key to your overall business success. Well, that's all for this week's episode. I'll see you in the next one. Later.